The Quran places a strong emphasis on the importance of treating parents with kindness, respect, and obedience. Honoring and obeying one's parents is considered a fundamental aspect of Islamic teachings. Here are a few verses from the Quran that highlight the significance of treating parents well. 1. Obedience and kindness to parents. And your Lord has decreed that you not worship except Him, and to parents good treatment. Whether one or both of them reach old age while with you, say not to them so much as, "Uff," and do not repel them, but speak to them a noble word. Quran 17:23. 2. Gratitude to parents. And we have enjoined upon man goodness to parents. But if they endeavour to make you associate with me that of which you have no knowledge, do not obey them. To me is your return, and I will inform you about what you used to do. Quran 29:8. 3. Prayer for parents. My Lord, have mercy upon them as they brought me up when I was small. Quran 17-24. Thankfulness to Allah and parents. Give thanks to me and to your parents. To me is the final destination. Quran 31:14. 4. Respecting parents. Even in disagreement. And we have enjoined upon man, to his parents, good treatment. His mother carried him with hardship and gave birth to him with hardship, and his gestation and weaning period is 30 months. He grows until when he reaches maturity and reaches the age of 40 years, he says, My Lord, enable me to be grateful for your favour, which you have bestowed upon me and upon my parents, and to work righteousness of which you will approve, and make righteous for me my offspring. Indeed, I have repented to you, and indeed, I am of the Muslims. Quran 46:15. These verses underscore the importance of kindness, respect, and obedience to parents in the Islamic faith. Muslims are encouraged to treat their parents well, even in times of disagreement, and to be grateful for the care and upbringing provided by their parents. Thank you for watching Miss Graphic's YouTube channel. Please pass this message to many as you much can.